Welcome everyone! Today we're diving into the top Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals on pre-built gaming PCs. If you've been eyeing an upgrade for your gaming setup, this is one of the best times to grab a high-performance rig without stretching your budget. From affordable systems that run today's most popular titles with ease to Powerhouse machines built for buttery-smooth 4K gaming, this lineup has something for every type of gamer. To kick things off, we've rounded up some of the best gaming desktops available right now. Each system packs strong GPUs, fast processors, and plenty of memory to push high frame rates across modern games. Whether you love competitive shooters, massive open-world RPGs, or even dabble in content creation, these PCs are built to keep up. Kicking off our list, the HP Omen 35L with an RTX 5060 GPU is an impressive choice for gamers seeking both performance and style. Its AMD Ryzen 5 8400F CPU and 16 GB of DDR5 RAM offer a well-balanced platform for gaming and productivity. The RTX 5060 ensures smooth performance in modern titles, making it ideal for 1080p and 1440p gaming. This desktop also comes in a sleek white chassis that not only looks modern, but also supports future upgrades. With easy access to internal components, gamers can add more RAM or storage as needed. The HP Omen 35L supports DLSS 4, which boosts frame rates without sacrificing visual fidelity, making it perfect for high-speed gaming sessions. Whether you're running AAA games, streaming, or multitasking, this rig handles it all effortlessly.
Next up, the Alienware Aurora with an RTX 5060 Ti is built with an Intel Core Ultra 7 265F CPU, featuring 20 cores and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5200 megatransfers per second. Its 1TB NVMe SSD provides fast boot times and storage for multiple games, while the 500-watt PSU ensures stable power delivery.
The Aurora's mid-tower design combines premium build quality with excellent airflow. Its RTX 5060 Ti GPU delivers superior performance compared to console-level graphics, handling most modern games at high settings. This desktop is a solid investment for gamers who want a dependable system with strong upgrade potential and an elegant futuristic aesthetic.
As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below.
Moving on, for gamers looking for a mid-range powerhouse, the iBuyPower desktop with an RTX 5070 GPU is a strong option. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 263F CPU and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this desktop can handle demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring at high settings with smooth frame rates. Storage includes a 1TB NVMe SSD, which provides rapid loading and sufficient space for a selection of games. The RTX 5070 excels at rendering detailed graphics, making this desktop ideal for those who want excellent performance without stepping into high-end pricing tiers. Its combination of CPU, RAM, and GPU ensures both gaming and multitasking run seamlessly. Following that, the Skytech King 95 is a highly capable gaming PC powered by the RTX 5070. This desktop features an Intel i7 14700F CPU, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1TB Gen 4 SSD. Its 850-watt PSU provides ample power for consistent performance during long gaming sessions. The RTX 5070 outperforms many previous generation high-end GPUs, and with DLSS 4 and frame generation, it maintains exceptional frame rates in demanding games. The Skytech King 95's chassis design ensures good airflow and easy upgrades. This system is particularly suited for gamers who want a near top-tier experience without investing in extreme high-end configurations. Up next, the iBuyPower Y40 Pro is a high-end desktop that delivers unmatched performance for gamers and creators. Equipped with the RTX 5080 GPU, Intel Core Ultra 9 285 processor, and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, it handles AAA titles at ultra settings smoothly, while also supporting multitasking, VR gaming, and graphics-intensive workflows. A 2TB NVMe SSD provides rapid load times and ample storage for large game libraries, multimedia files, and creative projects. The system features advanced cooling solutions that maintain optimal temperatures during long gaming sessions, ensuring consistent performance under heavy workloads. Its chassis includes customizable RGB lighting, offering a visually striking aesthetic for setups and streaming environments. Connectivity options include multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, allowing integration of multiple monitors, peripherals, and VR devices. With high-speed components, durable construction, and reliable performance, the iBuyPower Y40 Pro is a versatile choice for enthusiasts, content creators, and competitive gamers who demand both power and flexibility. Continuing on, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 is a high-end desktop built for gamers who demand liquid-cooled performance, stability, and premium design. Equipped with the RTX 5080 GPU, Intel Core Ultra 9 285 processor, and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, it delivers exceptional power for gaming, creative work, and multitasking. The 1000-watt PSU ensures stable power delivery, supporting intensive workloads, VR setups, and even overclocking without compromise. The storage and system responsiveness are handled by a fast 1 TB SSD, providing near-instant load times for games, applications, and large project files. The Alienware Aurora ACT1250 also features advanced cooling solutions, including liquid cooling for the CPU and strategically placed vents that optimize airflow, keeping temperatures low during extended sessions. Its transparent side panel showcases the premium components and customizable RGB lighting, combining aesthetics with functionality. Additionally, the desktop supports multiple monitor setups and 4K gaming, making it ideal for streamers, competitive gamers, and content creators who need high-end performance with visual flair. With high-speed components, durable construction, and reliable performance, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 is a standout choice for users seeking a cutting-edge, future-ready desktop. From there, the Alienware Area-51 sets a new standard for gamers seeking the ultimate high-performance desktop. It combines the powerful RTX 5090 GPU with the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU featuring 24 cores alongside 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM, delivering exceptional processing power and graphics performance. This setup is engineered to handle 4K gaming at 120 FPS, running even the most demanding modern titles smoothly and without compromise. Its advanced cooling system ensures optimal thermal management, allowing long gaming sessions or intensive creative work without throttling performance.
Storage and power are equally impressive, with a 2 TB NVMe SSD providing rapid load times, ample space for large game libraries, multimedia projects, and professional content, while the 1500-watt PSU guarantees stable and reliable power delivery under heavy workloads. Connectivity options include multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, making it easy to connect multiple monitors, VR headsets, or peripheral devices.
The Alienware Area-51's build quality and future-proof design make it a standout choice. Its chassis allows easy access for upgrades, whether adding extra RAM, storage, or the latest graphics cards, ensuring the system can evolve with upcoming hardware. With customizable RGB lighting, premium materials, and robust internal architecture, this desktop not only performs at the highest level, but also delivers a visually striking and durable gaming platform. It's a top-tier option for gamers, streamers, and content creators who demand uncompromising speed, stability, and visual fidelity. Moving forward, the MSI Infinite RS AI is a high-performance desktop engineered for gamers and creators who demand exceptional power and speed. Equipped with the cutting-edge RTX 5090 GPU, it delivers stunning graphics, ultra-smooth 4K gameplay, and real-time ray tracing for the most demanding modern titles. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU, combined with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensures seamless multitasking, allowing you to run AAA games, VR experiences, and creative applications like video editing or 3D modeling without strain. Storage is handled by a lightning-fast 2 TB SSD, offering plenty of space for expansive game libraries, media, and project files. The advanced cooling system keeps components running at peak performance even during extended sessions. With stable frame rates, crisp visuals, and reliable system optimization, the MSI Infinite RS AI provides a robust platform for professional-grade gaming and content creation, making it an ideal choice for users who want high-end performance across both gaming and creative workflows. Ending our list, the Corsair Vengeance i8-300 is a flagship desktop built for gamers and creators who demand the absolute highest level of performance. Equipped with the formidable RTX 5090 GPU, it delivers unparalleled graphics capabilities, enabling ultra-smooth 4K gameplay, real-time ray tracing, and visually stunning experiences in the most demanding modern titles. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU provides lightning-fast processing for multitasking, content creation, and gaming simultaneously, while 64 GB of DDR5 RAM ensures ample memory bandwidth to handle large applications, complex workflows, and heavy-duty creative projects with ease. Storage is equally impressive, featuring a massive 4 TB SSD for rapid load times, extensive game libraries, and large media or project files. This top-tier configuration guarantees seamless performance across all tasks, from high frame rate gaming to video editing, 3D rendering, and intensive creative work without compromise. With advanced cooling, robust build quality, and long-term reliability, the Corsair Vengeance i8-300 is engineered for longevity. It's the ultimate desktop for users seeking extreme power, maximum storage, and enduring performance that can handle evolving software and games for years to come.
Seriously, thank you for watching. Don't miss out. Snag those epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals now before they completely vanish. Find the quick links waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest tech and holiday bargains. See you next time. Happy shopping!